Welcome to our channel. If you want to protect your crypto wallet from hackers and theft, follow this quick guide to implement essential security measures. Step 1. Use a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor for storing large amounts of cryptocurrency offline, away from internet-connected devices vulnerable to hacking. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on all crypto exchange accounts and use authenticator apps like Google Authenticator rather than SMS-based verification. Step 3. Store your recovery seed phrase securely offline in multiple physical locations. Never store it digitally, take photos, or share it with anyone. Step 4. Create a strong, unique password for each crypto account using a password manager. Never reuse passwords across different platforms. Step 5. Be cautious of phishing attempts by always typing exchange URLs directly, never clicking email links, and verifying website security certificates before entering credentials. Step 6. Keep your wallet software and device firmware updated to the latest versions to protect against known security vulnerabilities. Step 7. Use separate wallets for different purposes, a hot wallet for daily transactions and a cold wallet for long-term storage of larger holdings. Step 8. Regularly review connected apps and revoke permissions for DeFi protocols or services you no longer use to minimize attack surfaces. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.